Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add signature to Gmail step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail and go to the top right corner. And here select the settings to open the full settings page. Now scroll down and you'll find the section labeled signature. Click create new and give your signature a name, then hit create. You'll now see a text box where you can design your signature. Type in the information you want, such as your name, position, contact details, social links. And below the box, you'll also find formatting options like change the font, make text bold or italic, add links, insert images you like logo or profile picture. Then, once your signature looks good, scroll down to Signature Defaults. Choose your new signature for a new email, replies, and forwards. Then scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now click Compose and you should see your new signature automatically added to your message. And that's it. You know how to create and add a professional signature in Gmail. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.